Set up Dish Satellite Internet. An internet satellite dish enables you to get better internet signal for faster browsing. Instead of simply relying on your regular internet connection, you can purchase an internet satellite dish directly to amplify the network signal. This, however, is not a simple plug-and-play device. Certain setup and installation is required to make the satellite dish work. Read the instructions below to know how you can set up a dish satellite internet. Materials that you will need: internet satellite dish cables, electric drill, pencil, measuring tape, goggles and gloves. Get started. Purchase an internet satellite dish kit for this project. Most of the other tools you need are probably already in your toolbox. If not, they are easy to find in hardware stores and they are inexpensive, too. Collect your materials in a workstation so you know that you have everything you need and where to grab them later on. Find a location for the satellite dish. Carefully climb up the roof. Take a good look at your neighbors' roofs if they have satellite dishes as well. If they do, it may be best to copy the positioning and where the satellite is facing. But make sure there is nothing blocking the satellite dish, such as big trees or posts. Now, get a good look down and see if you have enough space in your yard to install the metal dish foundation. Pick a location that will cause disruption as much as possible. For instance, you cannot set up the satellite foundation on the parking space or open-air garage. Start the installation. Use a measuring tape to verify the length of the poles that you will need to install. Draw a small mark using the pencil on the ground or on the wall so you'll know where you need to drill. Start to drill and fasten the parts in place as per the kit user manual. The screws are usually included in the kit already. There are many different kinds of internet satellite dishes, and each may have its own way of installation. Take time to read the installation manual for assistance on assembly and setup. Locate where the best signal is produced. To check if the current satellite location works for your network, temporarily connect the satellite cable to your television set. An indicator will be displayed to show how much signal it is getting. Move the satellite around to check if the signal can still improve. Once you find the best possible position, keep the dish there. When working with cables, make sure they are nicely tucked on the walls to prevent people from tripping and stepping on them. Use protective gears such as goggles and gloves to protect yourself, especially when working with power tools like the electric drill. And when climbing the roof, Use a step ladder and ensure that it is stable before climbing. Use a hard hat if need be to protect your head in case you fall or slip. Regularly check and clean your satellite dish for better performance.